All right. Well, good afternoon. Good morning. We got a little video. No, really, we're making a video right now. Hi. Good morning. I'm Justin. This is Arrow, and we are doing an unboxing video for you today on your box. You get a box today. Stop biting, or we'll turn this video right around. As you can see, he is still full of life, very energetic right now, and we need something to distract him. No. Thank you. Haley has invested in the Bark Box, specifically the Superchewer edition of Bark Box. Here we go, right here. God, you were just sitting. Are you comfortable, bud? All right, so yeah, Superchewer. Bark Box right there. And we're going to go ahead and dive in and see if he likes any of this stuff. Let's chew it. Okay, look, he's already into it. Okay, hold on. Before you start. Okay, here we have the Buzz Bee. Maybe some knives or some scissors or something like that, you know. What is this gonna? Oh, he likes that. He loves squeaky toys. He loves destroying toys as well too. Hold on, you'll get it. We gotta take it out of the packaging first, Tom. I'll let my sidekick, trusty assistant, do with that.
We also did the upgraded box where we get an extra toy.
Excellent. So we did an upgraded box to get an extra toy. So this thing is full of stuff. There we go. Go at it. How does he like that? All right. Also gets one of these little things. This is super sturdy. This will be great for him because he likes to destroy stuff. So yeah, heartstring rose ring. Okay, so go ahead and cut that. That looks super cool. The more sturdier the toys, the better in his favor. He also gets a nice little hard and chewy sweet potato. Maybe if he's a good boy, he'll get that. Look at that. That thing's super sturdy. Yeah. All right. Maybe if he's good, he'll get the little sweet potato treat in here. Super cute. And then, oh man, this is super sturdy. The lovely dove. Yeah. Oh man, I don't know what he's gonna do with this, but maybe he can just gnaw on this for a while. Because I mean, it doesn't squeak or anything like that. It's just super, like, very dense toy. He's got a couple more treats in here. He has the pork recipe dog treats with apples, so that'll be nice for him. How you like that, buddy? That one's. He's digging into these toys right now. Maybe we can pan down and check him out while he's just looking at all his toys. Yeah, he gets peanut butter carob dog treat. Peanut butter carob, well, that's nice. And then he's also getting chicken recipe dog treats with salmon. So yeah, and these little things are super great for training. They don't smell too bad.
They smell pretty good, actually.
They smell pretty good. So these smell pretty good. And they have that nice. Hey, look at her. Hey.
Arrow. I'm holding the pork one. Sit. Yes, that's a very nice sit. Good boy.
These are great for like holding into your little pouch that you have for training. Looks like they're pretty good. They're sturdy pieces of. Yeah, they're pretty sturdy. Hey, come here. Hey, I have the food now. Sit. 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 Good boy. Easy. Good boy. So yeah, that's obviously, like I said, the peanut butter one too. So I think he's gonna have a blast with these toys. He may not go through them as much. So I don't know how does this subscription work, Haley?
We did a 6-month subscription.
So we did a 6-month subscription. So yeah, every month we'll get some more toys, which the more toys for him, the better. And that was great. But yeah, so thanks. This has been the Super Chewer edition of the Bark Box with Justin and Arrow, and we will come back at you again with next month's box. All right, thanks.